guided trade mechanism, we have learned some lessons. For example, unfortunately, this consignment arrived in Ghana in February, all the way from October. So the willingness is there, but the challenges abound. Challenges of looking at our infrastructure connectivity, challenges of looking at why we need to move from Africa, from East Africa to Europe if you want to travel to West Africa because of the area of the problem of the air travel between our countries. So we have got lessons that we have learned over the last few months. And I believe that as we expand the guided trade initiative, we can now be able to come up with some solutions that can be able to take us to the next level. So I want to welcome all my fellow ministers and the private sector to Kenya and wish all of us very fruitful deliberations. I thank you.